Alright, welcome back to the mining cabinet. It'll be like everybody else you're going to see this week and next week on the internet that does crypto mining. We're going to unbox the AL0 and be one of a million other assholes that get one. Look, it's the pink foam. I think I opened it from the bottom. Huh, I did open it from the bottom, and I got no power supply with it. Ugh. This nasty pink foam is stout. It looks just like a KS0, but it is an AL0, but it doesn't even say that. It just says model. Let me see if you can see model 10106. Oh, it does. IceRiver AL0. So I'm going to go plug this bad boy in and see if it makes me some Alephium. Looks the same. Let's go real quick. Looks the same. You got holes in the center, power on one end, USB, Ethernet, reset button, lights on the other end. If and when overclocks come out, I'll pop the ends off and put a shroud on it. Probably not. I'm not overclocking any of mine that hard. Can't really see inside, but every second that goes by, I'm losing Alephium because more and more you people are turning these on, killing the network. I will plug this in, and I will go put it on the computer, or put it on the pool and get on the computer, and we'll see what it does, what our profits are, and how quickly this network gets totally destroyed. Thank you. All right, we're back here at the mining cabinet. Got the AL0 Iceriver plugged in. I'm pretty sure this is it. ONG Corp, that's new. So let's double click this. That was advanced IP scanner. Oh yes, and I'm mining to Alephium, Humpool, to Iceriver's wallet. So let's not do that. I think that's I'm going to do Humpool because they've got 0% fees right now. Oh wait, I use Opera for some of my stuff, and then mining I use Chrome. Keep some of my shit separated. So default password admin 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is the password. Yeah, I'll change it, whatever. So it's already ramping up, but I'm mining to Iceriver's wallet. So let's go down here. It's 12581 US1. So I think that is I don't know why Iceriver would have US pools programmed in, but let's get rid of all this other garbage. Whoops. We're going to put the fan speed on 65. We're going to do 80% right now. See where it runs at, since I put this one outside in the cabinet. Okay, let me put my wallet in and trying to figure out what IP address I've used. 80s. 90, well 89, then 90s for the KS0s, the KASPA miners. Let's use 70s, so we're gonna call this .70. I only have 2 of these on them. Don't imagine I'll ever have any more, but let's do that. Pool address format is incorrect. How could it be incorrect? It was running fine before. Pool 2, pool address format is incorrect. Well, it's not even there. Oh, is it gonna make you have a pool filled out for everyone? Evidently so. What kind of bullshit is that? Alright, I finally got my POS Comcast router to cooperate and assign the IP address that I want to this. Yeah, I don't give a shit about that. Okay, so now we're booted back up. Hopefully we're being seen on the Humpool. Not yet. I don't know. I've never used Humpool, so I'm not sure what's going on. I've set it up in my dashboard and assigned my wallet address, but I don't see any hash rate yet. But we'll give it a few minutes and see what happens. Okay, maybe I figured the problem out on my workers the worker. So it looks like Humpool uses an account, not your wallet addresses. You don't mine anonymously, you mine to your account. So my account is Drusco, and I'm not using 001, it's .71. So let's do this. We'll see if this is like the KS0 Ultra. It really likes to run hot and give you the best performance when it's running hot. Our hash rate says it's ramping up, but are we actually being seen by the pool? The pool is not seeing me yet, but we'll wait a few more minutes to see what's going on before I freak out and yell and scream and throw stuff across the room and switch to some other pool. But I figured I'd give Humpool a shot because I'm probably going to move my original KS0s maybe to Cedra. They got a Cedra pool. Gram. Oh, that's right. The Hive owns Gram pool is closing at the end of the month, so if you're mining Gram on Hive, which I was because their fee was less, it's closed. You got to move. So I was going to move to the Gram pool, and maybe somebody in the comments below will know. Gram, add a Gram address. It says something like only activated Gram addresses. Well, I got like 7,000 Gram, and that's activated as much as it can be, but it says how do I activate my Gram address? Like go into Ton Keeper, which I have. And then only after activating the ton address can you receive the transfer from the mining pool. After the ton address is activated, check the activation status of the Gram wallet. Well, how do you do that? I've been getting Gram. I've mined Gram on 2 different pools. Never have seen this. I have no idea what this means. To create a transfer transaction. So if anybody knows what the hell this means, reply in the comments and let me know. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, we're not on Gram. Let's go to Alephium. Still not being seen. Why in the world is this so hard to connect? How hard is it to mine to your pool? I've never used Humpool before, and I can see why. This is freaking complicated. I got 295 accepted, but I've just been mining for 12 minutes, even though I just changed the address, so that may have thrown it off. But why am I not being seen? I want to be seen. I want to be seen and heard. There we go. Thank you, Humpool, because I literally was just about to turn the page to someone else, give someone else a shot. All right, so we're ramping up. The miner says it's 393. Let's see what the temperatures are. 58 and 46. We're going to let it mine for a little while. I'll probably turn the fans down if it's that warm. I have a big fan blowing on it, but I may turn that off because I know that the KS0 Ultras like to run hot. So we'll see how these do. All right, well, I will check back in a day or two, let you know how this is going, how much Alephium I've earned. So this is the AL0 I ordered directly from Iceriver without a power supply. And I also have another one coming on the way that I ordered from Tswift. It was a little bit cheaper, and I believe it comes with a basic 100-watt power supply, probably a 120-watt power supply. So hopefully I get that in the next few days, because as you can see from that graph, the Alephium network hash rate is just going to skyrocket. And this is not even the big boys. When the big Bitmain Alephium miners are released, it's just going to kill this network. So I was so tempted over the last 2 weeks to order 1 or 2 more of these AL0s, but thought, nah, I got enough money invested, and I'm just going to turn my KASPA miners onto unmineable, and that's what I've been doing right now, is making some more Alephium that way. So thank you for watching the Mining Cabinet YouTube channel. Like, subscribe. If you have a comment, leave it below. If you know what's up with the Gram mining on Humpool, how to get that address activated, leave a comment. I would appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in.